Hi, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Venti XO coming to you with another video. Today I'm going to be trying out Outre synthetic half wig in the style Dominican, Batik Dominican curly. Okay, I got the style, what is it, 2730. But yeah, this is her on my mannequin head backwards, of course. Isn't she pretty? She is so fluffy. She's giving me life. She is popping. All right, she is popping. So to prep my hair for this beautiful wig, oh, it's so gorgeous. I took my braids that I had from my previous wig and I unbraided it and I left some braids out in the front, as you can see, and then I braided the rest of my hair going back. These are going to be my leave out for the wig. So you always want to have leave out for your wig to look natural when you're dealing with half wigs, because they don't have a lace front. You're gonna be looking crazy if you don't have leave out for it, okay? And now it's time to put on the wig. So prior to this video, I did try it out yesterday just to make sure everything was okay. And I did cut bangs out in the front because I really like bangs. So I'm just gonna pop this on my head. Woo! Do I look bomb or what? I didn't even take out my leave out yet. Hold up, wait a minute. Hold up, hold up. I look good, I look good. Wow, this wig is freaking gorgeous. Outre, you did it again. I look sophisticated. I look like a brand new woman. But yeah, let's jump into styling this hair. Sex on my mind, thinking about when I get you alone. You already know what's going down when I get you alone. 'Cause you know what I came here to do when I get you alone. I'ma give it all to you when I get you alone. Sex on my mind, thinking about when I get you alone. You already know what's going down when I get you alone. that you can do with this wig. I totally forgot to give you the price of this wig. It cost me, by itself, was $16, and then with the shipping, it was a $10 shipping, which kind of sucks, but whatever. This came up to about $26.05. If you're gonna buy this wig, definitely buy it. They have assortment of colors. It's beautiful, it's big, it's poppin'. If you enjoyed watching this video, please give me a thumbs up. I'd really appreciate it. Also hit that subscribe button. It's gonna be on this side or this side. I'm not sure what side it's gonna be on, but thank you so much for tuning into another video, and I'll see you next time. Bye. Mwah.